What's up guys? So today I'm going to be styling my natural hair and we're going to be working with 3 different hairstyles. So enjoy guys! Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to be doing is to part my hair in the middle. After doing that, I'm just going to catch up one side and then I'll focus on the other part. So this part is ready and that is what I'll be working with. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is to section the front part of my hair. So after achieving that, next I'm going to be doing is to section this front part into 2. After sectioning it, I'm going to go over with my Eco Styler gel to get a neater line. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is to section the middle part. So I'm going to focus on giving it a curvy kind of shape. So after sectioning the middle part, going over with my Eco Styler gel, the next thing I'm going to be doing is to braid this up. So I'm just going to be doing a normal braid. So after braiding the hair, moving over to the second part, the next thing I'm going to be doing is the Criss Cross method on this down part. So what I'm going to be doing is to section my hair at the middle, and then I'm just going to section this up in a square form, in a square shape into 3 sections. So guys, here we have it. So I'm going to be doing the same thing to the second part, and boom, here we have it. Looks so good, right? Well, this is so beautiful. So now I'm going to be styling my edges. So I went ahead to do a simple style to my edges to make it nice and easy to go. Okay guys, so the next thing I'm going to be doing is to cover this up to let the gel sit in on my edges. So you want to always make sure that the gel is dried before you open the hair. Otherwise your hair is going to curl back up, and that is not what we need. Okay guys, so after opening my hair, the next thing I did is to fluff out the tips of my hair. So you want to make sure you are fluffing it out so it will be looking round and beautiful. So if you are not a fan of the high bun, you can always switch it up. So I switch up this looks by just folding up the hair. And the next thing I'm going to be doing is to use the rubber band to hold it up, and it is going to look so beautiful. So if you are not a fan of the fuller hair, then you can always have this one, and it is also beautiful. So it's switching looks guys for the second part, and this is what it looks like. Moving over to the third one, I'm going to be losing this hair up. So I'm going to be losing the rope, and then I'm going to comb out my hair. So after combing my hair up, the next thing I'm going to be doing is to use the rope to tie it all up in the high bun. So this is going to be looking very beautiful, as you can see in the video. So what I like to do is to drag the rope up until it gets to where I'm satisfied to tie it all up, and it always looks very good and it always looks beautiful. So guys, this is what it looks like. The next thing I'm going to be doing is to style my edges. So you want to make sure you're having that neat kind of style on the edges so it will always blend in with the hair. Okay guys, so after styling my edges and getting that sleek kind of look, this is what it looks like. Well guys, I love each and every one of it. I love the first, second and the third one, and it can always go with whichever looks you decide to use. Well, that's it about this video guys. Thank you so much for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and always make sure you are joining the family. So if you are joining me for the first time, thank you so much for clicking in, and if you are an old subscriber, thank you for always being there for me. So I'll see you in my next video.